#, the right to be forgotten in the age of infinite AI memory. The right to be forgotten, RTBF, as enshrined in the EU's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, grants individuals the right to request the removal of personal information from online sources, primarily search engines. It's a recognition of the power of online information and its potential to impact an individual's life and reputation. However, the rise of increasingly sophisticated and ubiquitous artificial intelligence (AI) systems, characterized by their vast data storage and complex learning capabilities, presents a profound challenge to the RTBF. ***, the core challenge. AI's infinite memory. ***. Traditional search engines like Google rely on indexing and caching web pages. While removing information from the original source is ideal, RTBF often focuses on removing the links from search results, making the information harder to find. This approach works, to a degree, with static, relatively passive online environments. However, AI is different. AI systems, especially large language models, LLMs, and other learning algorithms, don't just index information, they learn from it. This learning process creates a more insidious problem for RTBF because ***, implicit storage. Information is not just stored as explicit data points, but also as patterns, relationships, and learned biases embedded within the AI's model. Even if explicit instances of an individual's information are deleted, the AI might still retain and reproduce that information implicitly. ***, reconstruction from context. AI can potentially reconstruct deleted information by inferring it from surrounding data, related concepts, or learned associations. Imagine deleting someone's criminal record, but the AI still infers it based on news articles about their neighborhood and past incidents. ***, proliferation and duplication. AI models are often trained on massive datasets scraped from the entire internet. And these models are frequently copied, fine-tuned, and distributed. Deleting data from one model doesn't guarantee its removal from all other models. ***, data augmentation and synthetic data. SAL. AI can generate synthetic data based on existing information. Even if an individual's original data is removed, the AI might create realistic synthetic data that effectively recreates their profile. ***, the implications for individuals and society. ***, the challenges outlined above raise serious implications. ***, erosion of personal control. The RTBF aims to give individuals control over their online narratives. AI's ability to implicitly store and reconstruct data undermines this control, potentially leading to persistent reputational damage and discrimination. ***, privacy concerns. AI systems can potentially track and profile individuals based on fragmented and anonymized data, even after attempts to exercise the RTBF. This raises concerns about privacy violations and the potential for mass surveillance. ***, bias and discrimination. If AI models are trained on biased data, they may perpetuate and amplify existing prejudices, even after individuals have attempted to remove information that could contribute to discriminatory outcomes. ***, impact on rehabilitation. The RTBF can offer a fresh start for individuals who have made mistakes in the past. AI's persistence could hinder rehabilitation efforts by constantly resurfacing past transgressions. ***, potential solutions and mitigation strategies. ***, addressing the challenge of *RTBF in the age of AI requires a multifaceted approach. ***, asterisk, asterisk, algorithmic transparency and auditability. We need greater transparency into how AI models are trained and how they use data. Auditing mechanisms are crucial to identify and address biases and potentially infringing data practices. Asterisk, 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 model. Unlearning and differential privacy. Techniques like machine unlearning aim to selectively remove information from AI models without significantly degrading their performance. Differential privacy techniques add noise to data to prevent identification while still allowing for useful analysis. Asterisk, 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 data minimization and purpose limitation. Limiting the amount of personal data collected and ensuring that data is only used for specific, legitimate purposes can reduce the risk of AI systems retaining and reproducing unwanted information. Asterisk, 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 legal and regulatory frameworks. Existing data protection laws need to be updated to address the specific challenges posed by AI. New regulations may be needed to define the responsibilities of AI developers and deployers regarding RTBF. Asterisk, 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 technological solutions. Developing AI-powered tools to help individuals identify and remove their data from AI systems could be beneficial. These tools could also help monitor AI models for the presence of potentially infringing information. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. Focus on source data. Making it easier and legally enforceable to remove data at its origin websites, social media platforms, and other online sources is crucial. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. Education and awareness. Individuals need to be aware of the limitations of RTBF in the age of AI and understand the risks associated with sharing personal information online. Asterisk, asterisk. Conclusion. Asterisk, asterisk. The right to be forgotten is a fundamental principle that needs to be adapted and strengthened in the age of AI. While achieving perfect erasure in a world of interconnected and learning AI systems may be impossible, we must strive to find solutions that balance the benefits of AI with the protection of individual rights and freedoms. Failure to do so risks creating a society where the past is never truly forgotten and individuals are perpetually haunted by their online history. The challenge is complex, requiring collaboration between technologists, policymakers, and legal experts to ensure that the promise of AI does not come at the expense of individual autonomy and dignity.